Remove account from Windows 11. So if we want to remove our account from Windows 11, simply open settings. From settings, simply navigate to account on the left hand side. Over here you can currently see my Microsoft account has been logged in as an administrator. But I can scroll down to this option called email and accounts. And here you can see two of my account. So I can just select that account and select the remove option. Now, if in your case you do find the remove option, like in my case it's showing on Gmail, that's perfectly fine. But what if you don't find the remove option in your Microsoft account? That is because currently the Windows is using your Microsoft account as an administrator to log in. So if we don't have Microsoft account, we cannot log in. So that's why it will not let us currently remove our Microsoft account. So to fix this, what we have to do is go to this account option back again. Then go to your info. Then we have to choose to sign in with a local account instead. So right here you'll actually find this option called sign in with local account instead. So only when we choose to sign in with our local account and not our Microsoft account, then only we will be able to also remove the default one. So here I can just click on the skip this step button. Here you can see, are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Click on the next option here and make sure to enter your current PIN first of all. Then once done, set a new password, right? Once you've done this step, only after that when you come to account and go to email and accounts, then only you will be able to remove your default Microsoft account. So it's because our Windows is currently using our Microsoft account. So first we have to choose our sign-in method by signing in with a local account instead of a Microsoft account. So I hope this video helped to clear your doubt. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.